What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and bring you guys another get ready with me full face glam. Today again I'll be using Emily Edit the Makeup Revolution Wants palette. One of you have requested that for me to use it again onto my channel, and I was so happy to do so. And I am so glad the way this looks come out. It is giving me those grunge vibe, and I just love this. Just love this. So the way it turned out is just amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys continue with the video while I'm gonna go ahead and create me some cuts and bruises so I can go out trick-or-treating tonight with my family. So without further ado, let's get right on to the video. Today we're just gonna go ahead and get ready with Makeup Revolution, the Emily Edit the Wants palette. One of you have requested this video and I am finally able to film it for you guys. I really wanted to go ahead and take my time and have two of these special videos for these special occasions that are here, today being the Halloween and then later on Diwali. I really wanted to go ahead and use these two palettes, but it may still happen in the near future. So I'm gonna go ahead and film this for you guys today. I'm gonna go ahead and do it all drugstore. I still have my lid very pink from yesterday's makeup, which I did like that skull makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working with an eyeshadow base that is thick enough to hide all of that mess. This is NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. And take that and apply it all over my lid. The shade I'm gonna take is called Prey. I'm just going to blend the outer edges. The next shade I'll be taking is called Apartment Rich Brown color. It's my favorite way to bring depth and dimension to my eyelid. I usually take it on the very same brush because I want to save me some brush from cleaning, and we're just going to go and place that right into the center. Blend the edges again. The next shade I'll be taking is called Corduroy, which is a very fun bright green color. Actually no, a rich green color. I'm going to apply that towards the outer corner and the inner corner. The shade I'll be taking is called Side Hustle, and I will also be placing Grateful into the center of that. So I am placing Side Hustle right into the center, and I'm gonna take that and mix it with the dark green. I'm just taking it right on top of that and to blend them together, and that looks pretty. We go ahead and really create that round edge. On the other side of this very same brush, I'm going to go and take that light green shade, which is called Grateful. I'm going to pop that right into the center of this for the further highlight effect. Just into the center. And as you guys can see, this one right here is like all rich and dark, and this one has a little bit of brightness, which creates a perfect hollow look. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that to my like. Taking the same dark brown color onto a small blending brush, just gonna blend the outer edges. The lashes, I am wearing the Kiss Lashes in Splendor. This is the kind of package they come in, and they are very affordable, and I do like them. They have a thin band, so it's easy to apply. At least for me, this is what I enjoy the most. So I'm gonna go and let the glue dry before I actually make sure that they're nice, precise, dark, and I'm blending with my own lashes and stuff. So till then, I'm gonna go and move on to the rest of the face. I just got done cleaning my face. Alright, so for the drugstore primer, I am using Maybelline Master Prime. The shade I have here is Blur and Illuminate 200. It not only blurs for you but also kind of give you that glow highlight that I always after and like so much. This one has a pink tint to it. And drugstore foundation, I have been using my Wet n Wild foundation a lot. I wanted to go and switch things out. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 24-Hour Foundation. The shade I have here is called Natural Beige, and I'm going to go and take that onto the back of my hand. For the highlight, taking LA Girl Pro Coverage in Pure Beige. My highlight areas, which would be under my eyes, lip, chin, and nose area. Alright, moving on to the cream contour, I am taking my favorite Wet n Wild contour stick. The shade I have here is Where's Walnut. I like to take the back of the beauty blender to blend this. My skin tone, I always like to go twice with the contour stick, and that gives me the most perfect and beautiful contour, and I take my time to blend that out, make sure it's nice and smooth and even, not blotchy, and does not have any harsh lines. So moving on to setting the under eyes, I am going to try this for the first time. I always use this as a brightener, but I want to go and see if I can have one less item. So instead of having just translucent powder and then have this on top of that, we're just gonna go with this powder, see how that, and tap off the excess. So that actually did a good job, not bad at all. For the rest of the face, I am taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. The shade I have here is Medium. Taking a shading brush like this one right here, and I'm gonna go and take the same green shade we applied on top of our lid, which is called Side Hustle, the medium green shade, and I'm gonna go and tap any excess off. We don't want any fallouts at this point, and just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lower lash line. I'm going to go and take a brown gel pencil liner and apply that. This one is by Crown Brushes. Now taking a black one, just going to go and apply that towards the outer corner. Just going to go and set the black part only with a matte black shadow so it stands out from the brown. Very same brush, I will be taking Corduroy, which is the rich green color, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the lower lash line. Now taking the lightest transition color called Midwest, I'm just going to go and further blend the lower lash line. You want to make sure that you can see all the colors, all the work that you just did. A drugstore bronzer, I'm going to go and take Profusion Contour Kit. I will be mixing the light and medium shade together in bronze. For the contour, I will be taking Pacifica bronzer. The shade I have here is Sunkissed. the under eye brightening, which I always use Hourglass Ambient Highlight Palette, I will be taking the drugstore version, which is Essence, the Pure Nude Highlighter. The shade I have here is number 10, Be My Highlighter. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this very lightly. If you can see the glow that it gives me, just like ambient lighting palette. For the drugstore blush, I decided to pick Profusion Blush Palette. I feel like I have not touched it since the last time I filmed with this. These are very beautiful blush though. For the highlight, taking JCat Beauty Moonlight Highlighter. This is so beautiful highlight, you guys. There is NYX Cosmetics Teddy. I think that's gonna look good. Alright, you guys, so this right here is the finished look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I really am digging this grunge look. So much in love with this green shade up here onto my lid. Oh my gosh, isn't it happening or what? So definitely keep those comments, suggestions, and requests coming, guys. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. And I shall definitely see you guys next time. Bye-bye.